If you can be honest with yourself about what you truly want and take responsibility for creating it, you will. You don't have to be special. You just have to get up every day.
Yes, I've been used to being used like this. Ain't no difference, I'm in holding life. My thoughts, praising most, I put protection over my moves past.
Good morning, loves. It's the Asian Renee, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Cinco de Mayo. Today is May 5th, and it is currently 9:32. As y'all can see, I just finished getting dressed and stuff. I got on a little chill fit. I did it. Just got on this shirt, my Kasubi bag, and these sweatpants. Cause it looked like super gloomy outside. It looked like it's been raining, and you know how it like look foggy outside. That's how it look outside. So later on today though, I am trying to go out. I don't know where I'm going, but I gotta do something for Cinco de Mayo, you feel me? Right now, I'm getting ready to go to the bank, and then after that, I'm going hygiene shopping. This video is just gonna be a realistic week in the life, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Fuck, it's extra sloppy. We made it to Target. Okay, y'all know I like these, right? I used this one before. I used this one before. This is probably my favorite one so far. And I feel like I used another one, but this one is new. And I think I want this one. Should I have tried one of these? Or what y'all think? No, I think I want another one, the lotion. I think I want, I don't know. This one? I don't know. Let me see. It's between these two. I'ma smell them real quick. This one, let's see. This one's strong. Smell this. Like it. Or this one. Okay, I like this one. I like this one. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one. Okay. Face mask. Probably get two of these. I need this. I wanted the regular one, but they don't have the small one. So what y'all think? I'm just going. I might just get this one. I'm just gonna get this one. I need some lip gloss. I'm just ready to get this one. Yes, this one or this one. We will get this one. I got this one. Right. I will get another one, but I ain't even finished this one. So
I remember I think I was with you one time. I was at a store or something, and the man was like, it was an old man. He was like, what is the trick to getting these bags? So I put them on.
Oh yeah. Okay, so finished hygiene shopping. Got the bag.
What is
Asia.
What was that?
Asia.
What can I get started for you today?
Can I have 1 second?
Let me know.
We're gonna do a little taste test. Shake Shack. I got a mango passionade. All right.
This smell good. You wanna let me bite that bitch?
Don't try to bite my goddamn chicken sandwich.
That bitch smell bomb, dude.
I just got something. I just got a chicken sandwich, and then Savannah got this burger.
Type, hold on.
The burger look bum. I cannot count.
That's a bitch.
Okay. I'm run down what we're ready to do. It's 2:23. What we're ready to do right now is we going to happy hour. We're going to Wood and Iron. So go there and get some drink. Then after that, we're going to go see Sinners at 4:30. I gotta get the tickets. It's one at 4:30. I'm just gonna change my outfit, but it just looked terrible outside. Like it's ready to rain, and it still looked cloudy and stuff. Okay, so I went outside and it was hot, so I came back in here and changed my outfit. I got dressed so quick. I just got on this shirt, these baggy jeans, my Asics, and I put on the same purse because I don't really feel like changing my purse, so we just go with this one. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. I know. It is the next day. It is currently May 6th and it is 11:36. Today is my mom's birthday. So happy birthday to my mom. She's currently in Miami, so I'm not gonna see her until she gets back. Okay, so let me run down yesterday because I think the last thing I recorded was when we was at Wood and Iron. We had got a drink and some steak and cheese egg rolls. After that, we went to the movies. I didn't record at the movies or in the movies because one, we was late. We made it just in time when the movie was starting because you know I gotta get through the credits. And we watched Sinners and it was a good movie. I know I didn't show y'all exactly what I had got from Target, so.
Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says, come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
Alright y'all, so I am about to start cleaning up, doing kind of a deep clean on the kitchen, the living room, and the bathroom today. Yeah, because I got a lot to do tomorrow, like errands to run tomorrow, like I gotta go grocery shopping, go to the mall, I got a DMV appointment, going to the library. I got a lot to do tomorrow, like.
no mojo. I bounce back, no pogo. Unhappy, no homo. New brand, no logos. Money on my juggler, natural hustler. Think I need a smuggler up in Russia. It'll be the butler, shine my cutler. Shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler. Okay, next thing, my life is a wet dream. I call it a sex.
Okay, so I finished cleaning the kitchen and the living room. I'm ready to take a break. I'm ready to go to Krispy Kreme and get some donuts. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna clean the bathroom. So we gonna do that. We got the donuts. It is.
Oh, that shit smell good.
Yeah.
Am I tripping or they got smaller?
I got 9 of them original, 2 of them with the chocolate with sprinkles, and then she got this blueberry something.
Blueberry muffin.
Okay, so I'm back at home. I'm ready to start cleaning the bathroom, and then we gonna also put this up today. This is under the TV stand. In my last vlog I showed y'all, but I ain't never put it up. So we gonna put it up today. Yeah, I basically took out everything that was under the cabinet so that I can organize it better. So I'm gonna start putting this stuff back under the cabinet because it was just under there all any type of way. It was
Like nigga can't even see me on way out of here too far to sky. Hermes ash with the time my ass. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Tuesday, she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swag. Look at this thing, got a bitch on the bag. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Working some bill in the middle of my hood. Making no money, I'm out of the source. My heart is sensory, but never on good. Out of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they bite on my chain. Championship, I just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking into the living key. I'm making the counter up, spend this money like it's my religion. This could be a man, they a standing for vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100, they just up the keys. They came out the jungle, they shit every kid. I trap out a band, no bitch on the crib. I'm looking at the ocean, it's my 30 M. See one back, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, nobody want me in. I have touch your ass, you gon' flash your Korean. You supposed to be good, but you never be win. Niggas can't see me, they no competition. 2 minute break, you know, on the wrist. I'm never sober, I'm making my quiz. I'm about to eat, I can feel with the kids. Like nigga can't even see me on way out of here too far to see. Hermes ash with the time my ass. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Tuesday, she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swag. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a faggot. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Working 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Making no money, I made out of the source. My heart is sensory, but never on good. Out of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they bite on my chain. Championship, I just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking the neck to the living key.
Okay, y'all, so it is currently 10:22. I got a DMV appointment to get my license renewal or the real ID or whatever. I gotta be there at 10:45. But after I leave the DMV, then I'm going grocery shopping. Okay, so I just got to Aldi's. I'm finna go in here. I just get meats and produce from out of Aldi's. So that's what I'm ready to go in here and get. And then we gonna go to Walmart. So, are we excited? I'm not. I hate grocery shopping.
Don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets this dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours.
Yeah. I'll see y'all when we get in Walmart. We in the parking lot.
You as real as they come, but you would rather be on the job. And I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. When I throw that, better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't act me. I've been working all day. To run the streets, the dark out. Come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No, no.
Okay, y'all, so I'm done grocery shopping. For the most part, I got all of the essential stuff from the grocery store, so that's over with. I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the house and we gonna do a little grocery haul. Yeah, that's probably gonna be it today because I'm so tired. I might get up later, but I'm tired right now. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at home. I'm gonna start off with the stuff that I got from Aldi's. I got a couple stuff from Aldi's. We just go through them real quick. Okay, so I got 2 ground beefs. This 2-pack of ribeye steak, Kobe jack cheese, mozzarella rice, buns. Y'all can see some olive oil, Irish butter. I also got this butter too. Got some peppers, some cheese, some baby spinach, some milk, some of the mini potatoes, a pack of chicken. Okay, so that was everything from Aldi's. We're ready to go in with what I got from Walmart. French toast bread, taco shell, heavy whipping cream. I got some syrup, and then I got some honey, some taco seasoning, garlic knots, broccoli, ice cream, some cereal, some pasta noodles. Okay, so I got 2 different pieces. I got the pepperoni one, and I got cheese. Got some more tea. I actually got to make tea. I'll probably make it tomorrow. Some burger sauce, pepper, and some beans. Got some eggs, bacon, sausage, and hash browns. Got 4 of these little chicken and rice bowls and a case of water, and that's everything that I got. I don't know what I'm ready to do. I'm probably ready to smoke or something. I don't know, but if I go out later, then I'll talk to y'all, but if not, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. So okay, so I'm finally dressed. I just got on this shirt, these jeans, these shoes, but yeah, I think I look super cute. Hair, I do too. Who cares? Like, I look cute. I'll see y'all when I get to where I'm going, okay?